What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Courtside Financial. My name's Obi. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos that are coming, and make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about NIO stock. Let's take a look at the stock right now and see where it trades. So the market has just closed. It's 4 p.m. Eastern time here in Michigan, and NIO is trading at $12.80. So like I just said in the video on Solo that I just posted, EV stocks are seeming like a bubble. You cannot look at a single EV stock that has not done well in the past couple of weeks. Tesla and NIO have been on a rampage. If there is a pullback in NIO, if there is a pullback in Tesla, then I'll be a net buyer of those two stocks. But at the end of the day, no one knows if we are in a bubble or not. People were calling Tesla a bubble at $200. You guys actually asked me this morning if I was going to be buying NIO at these levels, and I said no because I thought it was pretty much overvalued to me in the near term. So I want to be able to get more shares in the short term, even though I'm a long-term investor. Now, from a long-term perspective, in my opinion, I do think NIO is undervalued. I do think Tesla is undervalued. I don't think I want to buy in so high when I know I could get it a little bit cheaper. Now, for NIO to go back to $3, that's kind of a dream in my opinion. So for people who are waiting for that type of pullback, you might be waiting a long time, if not forever, but anything could happen. It's a stock market. Nothing is guaranteed. Guaranteed is nothing. Now, I'm actually making this video today because there was an article released by DigiTimes 2 days ago, which a lot of people were sending to me and I was seeing all over the internet, that stated that NIO was going to be having its own factory. Now, DigiTimes did actually amend the article, and it was pretty much just a typo on their end. Now, I'm not claiming that any of that is happening in this video. I'm talking about DigiTimes. I've never heard of them. Today is my first time hearing of them, so I went ahead and did my research because my intent on this channel is never to promote false information. I never want to feed you guys inaccurate information. So like I said, my intent on this channel is never to promote false information. It's never to feed you guys information that's inaccurate. So as someone who wants the truth out there, I am stepping forward and I'm telling you guys right now that there is no press release or news or anything that has confirmed NIO releasing a factory, but I'm still bullish on this stock. Obviously, I hold shares. I do want it to go up, but we're not here to pump the stock. We're not here to do any of that. We're just here to share the news, do our due diligence, do our research. Now, I usually wouldn't have covered a story like that, but I did do some research on DigiTimes, and they actually broke numerous stories for huge tech companies like Apple and Microsoft, and they turned out to be true, but no one believed them at first. So that's what gave them coverage on this channel. But we are going back and we are correcting that, and if I ever make a mistake on this channel, I will always correct it because, like I said, we want to push the truth forward. We don't pump stocks here. We don't spread false information. And in the last video, I also told you guys this is my first time hearing of DigiTimes. I never knew if it was true or not, and I told you guys I was also waiting for a confirmation. So that was reason for us not to get ahead of ourselves. But now you guys have the actual truth. So that's it for this video. I'm glad I could clear some of that up for you guys. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos that are coming. And I want to know what you guys think about NIO. I want to know what you guys think about EV stocks. Are they in a bubble or not? Please comment down below.